Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up or create an account for Oculus. If you don't know what Oculus is a company that was founded in 2012 to develop a VR headset for video gaming known as the Oculus Rift. Oculus was acquired by Facebook in March of 2014. Now let's start the sign up process. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, consider doing so because we upload similar videos like this every day. So in order to not miss videos, be sure to get notifications and let's get started. Firstly, in the browser, type in oculus.com. As soon as you do that, the official website of Oculus has opened. Now to sign up, click on the human icon located on the top right corner of the screen. Now in order to sign up for Oculus, you'll firstly need to have a Facebook account. If you don't, you can simply sign up, then create your account from here. But if you already have an account, you can click on login to Facebook. Now enter in your email address or phone number. Then when you're done, click on login. And just like that, you have signed up for Oculus. If you already have a Facebook account, then it is a quick and easy process. So make sure you firstly create a Facebook account. So those were the few easy steps to sign up for Oculus. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And that's all for this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.